Nestled along the southeastern coast of the United States, South Carolina boasts a remarkable expanse of 187 miles of coastline, offering a diverse array of ecosystems and habitats. This coastal stretch is not only a picturesque destination for beachgoers and nature enthusiasts, but also serves as a vital resource for a remarkable variety of bird species. From nesting and feeding grounds to crucial migration stopovers and wintering sites, South Carolina's coast provides an invaluable haven for coastal bird populations. In this rich and dynamic environment, a captivating tapestry of avian life thrives, but not without its own share of ecological problems. In response, the coast has become the focus of some major conservation efforts that are just as necessary as they are wild. The coastal bird species of South Carolina can be broadly categorized into two main groups: seabirds and shorebirds. Shorebirds, displaying a wide range of sizes, shapes, bills, and leg lengths, prefer to inhabit mudflats and intertidal areas where they forage for invertebrates that dwell in the soil. With their migratory nature, shorebirds undertake extensive journeys, covering vast distances from their breeding grounds to their wintering areas. These solitary nesters often conceal their eggs with excellent camouflage. Notable shorebird species found in South Carolina include sandpipers, plovers, and oyster catchers. In contrast, seabirds in South Carolina typically nest in large colonies on coastal islands and barrier beaches. This social behavior offers several advantages, such as increased protection against predators and collective defense of nests from unwanted intruders. Seabirds primarily feed on schooling fish, utilizing their specialized adaptations to catch prey efficiently. Among the seabird species inhabiting coastal areas of South Carolina are pelicans, terns, gulls, and skimmers. Both of these avian groups are not only visually striking, but also play a crucial role in the coastal ecosystem by contributing to nutrient cycling and maintaining the ecosystem's balance within their marine habitats. Seabirds and shorebirds along the South Carolina coast face a range of threats that significantly impact their survival. Habitat loss and degradation due to coastal development pose significant challenges. The destruction of nesting sites, such as coastal islands and barrier beaches, disrupts breeding colonies and forces these birds to seek alternative, often less suitable habitats. Pollution, including oil spills and marine debris, also pose a severe threat to these avian species. Ingestion of plastic and entanglement in fishing gear can result in significant population declines. Additionally, disturbance caused by human activities, such as beach recreation and disturbance of nesting sites, can disrupt breeding behaviors and lead to reduced reproductive success. The coastal bird species across North America have experienced a staggering decline of 70% over the past 4 decades. Efforts to mitigate these threats through conservation measures, habitat protection, and public awareness are crucial to safeguarding their future. Prior to Hurricane Irma in 2017, the Crab Bank Seabird Sanctuary in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, served as an important nesting site for these birds. However, the devastating storm removed the last remaining bit of ephemeral island left. In late 2021, the Crab Bank Restoration Project began and was one of the biggest conservation endeavors in the state's history. This massive undertaking was constructed by the Charleston District of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources was the non-federal sponsor. The project involved the one-time placement of approximately 660,000 cubic yards of compatible material from the Charleston Harbor Deepening Post-45 project. To carry out the restoration work, the Corps of Engineers contracted with the Norfolk Dredging Company to restore critical habitats for coastal bird species. Approximately 35 acres of prime nesting habitat above mean high water was restored, benefiting a wide variety of nesting and migrating coastal species. Since its restoration, increased numbers of nesting birds have been observed, making the project a success. The Crab Bank project serves not only as a vital conservation initiative, but also as an educational opportunity for the public. It emphasizes the significance of habitat restoration and the collective work required to protect and preserve coastal bird habitats in South Carolina. The project's successful implementation demonstrated the dedication and collective efforts invested in safeguarding these important ecosystems and securing a future for the coastal bird species that rely on them in the wild.